Hey, thanks for coming to our YouTube channel. I'm Landon, and this channel is all about what you can do at home to save you a little bit of money if something happens with your Apple device. Today we're going to be talking about the iPhone and how you can soft reset it if you're having issues at home. A lot of the times on iPhones, your screen will start to look like that it's all zoomed in, you can't hear certain things, or you just constantly see an Apple boot loop that won't stop. Now this trick that I'm about to show you works on all iPhones that have Face ID up until the current 15. So if you're experiencing these issues at home, here's the steps that you want to try to see if you can do a soft reset on your device. Your device can be on or off for this to work. So make sure the first thing that you do is you press and release your volume up, press and release your volume down, and then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you're going to want to release that power button. If you hold the power button for too long, it will send your phone into iTunes mode, and then you have to jump on your computer. So make sure you do release that power button so you don't have to jump on your computer and make this process a little more easier for you. It'll take about 30 seconds for your device to restart after you see the Apple logo, and you should see your normal home screen. If you do this and it works, then your job's completed. You've successfully repaired your own iPhone at home using an easy step. So if that doesn't work, the next step that you want to take is to let your battery drain to where it fully dies. Sometimes resetting your battery itself will actually fix the phone. If neither of these steps work, you might actually have an issue with your phone. Contact your insurance provider if you have insurance, or you can even go to our website and send your device in so we can take a look at it for a repair. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. But while you're here, make sure you subscribe to our channel because more than likely you're going to need us in the future.